Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Escape. First, gather your essential tools and safety gear. You'll need a wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have the manufacturer's recommended engine oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts of 5-weight 20 or 5-weight 30 synthetic blend, and a new oil filter. Always use jack stands or ramps for safety and wear gloves and eye protection. Now that your vehicle is safely elevated, locate the oil drain plug, usually a 15mm or 13mm bolt, on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug, being mindful that the oil will be warm. Allow ample time, typically 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old engine oil to drain completely into the pan. This ensures maximum removal of contaminants. Once the oil has finished draining, move your pan under the oil filter, typically located near the front of the engine. Use an oil filter wrench to loosen the old filter, then remove it by hand. Ensure the old rubber gasket comes off with the filter. Next, apply a thin film of new oil to the gasket of your new filter. Screw on the new filter by hand until it's snug, then tighten it about another half turn. Finally, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer and tighten it securely. With the new filter and drain plug in place, it's time to add fresh oil. Using a funnel, pour in the recommended amount and type of engine oil, usually around 5 to 6 quarts. Replace the oil fill cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes for the oil to settle, then check the dipstick to ensure the level is correct. Finally, inspect for any leaks and remember to properly recycle your old oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.